Example number 3, simple beam with concentrated moment using the Titanic method. Simulan muna natin sa reactions. So let's assume na ang reactions ay both upward at A and at C. To solve for the reaction at A, we take moment at C. So moment left equals moment right. So at C, moment left is due to AY upward, the moment is positive, so AY times 8. And due to a clockwise moment, so kapag clockwise moment, ang direction niya is upward sa left side and downward naman sa right side ng section B. So kung tayo ay magmo-moment sa C, then considering left, ang pipiliin natin lagi is the far side, which is upward. So ang far side ng moment from C is the upward direction. So dahil upward direction, so plus, then 60. Then no need ang lever arm kasi ang 60 ay moment na. Then equal to moment right, which is 0. So that AY is equal to negative 7.5 kilonewtons. So assumption natin is upward, and since the result is negative, then the assumption is wrong. So AY is equal to 7.5 kilonewtons and the direction is downward. Next, to solve for the reaction at C, we take moment at A. So cut at A, then moment left equals moment right. So moment left of A is 0, then equal to the moment right of A. So CY is upward. So the moment is positive CY times 8. And then for the clockwise moment, so kung magmo-moment tayo at A, ang pipiliin natin is yung far side ng moment. So ito yun. So at yung far side ng moment is downward. So therefore negative 60. So that CY is positive 7.5. So positive meaning tama yung assumption that CY is upward. Ngayong meron na tayong reactions, ang next step natin is solve for the moments. So we cut at B, then choose left. So the moment left of B is, the reaction is downward, so negative 7.5. The lever arm is 3. So the moment left of B is negative 22.5. The next moment right of B, so choose right. So the reaction is upward, so the moment is positive 7.5 times lever arm 5. So moment right of B is positive 37.5. The next, tayo ay mag-a-assume ng elastic curve. Okay, so ito yung assumed elastic curve. So ito yung point A, point B, point C. So to solve for, say, theta A, we cut at A, then we choose right. So the direction is A to C. So right. So ang load from A to C is a clockwise concentrated moment. So recall, doon sa video natin para sa parameter 6AA and 6AB over L. So the formula for 6AB over L for a clockwise concentrated moment is M over L times 3B square minus L square. M is 60. L is the distance from A to C, so that is 8. Then times 3. And B is 5. Then square minus L is square. So 6AB over L is 82.5. Then applicable is formula for theta right. Okay, ito na yung formula for theta right. So theta is the theta at A, then equal to negative. The moment near is the moment at A, which is 0. The length is the distance from A to C, so 8. Then over 3EI plus moment far is the moment at C, which is 0. The length is 8 over 6EI. Then 6AB over L is 82.5. Then over 6EI minus H over L. So for H, gagawa tayo ng horizontal line from A to C. So from A to C, from A towards C, tumama yung horizontal line at C, so that the vertical distance from the horizontal line at C, at A, towards C is 0. So the theta A is equal to negative 13.75 over EI. Negative means clockwise. So yan yung theta A. Next, to solve for theta C, we cut at C, then we choose left. So the direction is C to A, left. So the load from C to A is a clockwise concentrated moment. So recall from our previous video that the formula for 6A over L for a clockwise concentrated moment is negative M over L times 3A square minus L square. So negative M is 60. The length is the distance from C to A. So 8. Then times 3 times yung A is itong 3. And then square minus L is 8 and then square. So 6A over L is 277.5. Then applicable is formula for theta left. Ito na yung formula for theta left. Then theta is the theta at C. Then moment near is the moment at C, which is 0. The length is the distance from C to A, so that is 8. Then over 3EI. Then plus moment far is the moment at A, 0. The length is 8 over 6EI. Then plus 6AA over L, 277.5 over 6AI minus H over L. So gagawa tayo ng horizontal line from C to A. So horizontal line from C to A, and tumama si horizontal line kay A. So the vertical distance of A from the horizontal line at C is 0. So the theta C is equal to positive 46.25 over EI. Positive means counterclockwise. Meron na tayong theta A and theta C. So yung theta B mamaya na natin i-solve. So next we solve for the deflection at B. So may dalawang options tayo. So pwede nating i-cut at A, then we choose right. So the direction is A to B. So right. Ang second option naman is cut at C. So the direction is left, C to B. So dito tayo sa first option. So we choose A to B, right. So applicable is formula for theta right. Okay, ito na yung formula for theta right. So theta is theta A, then equal to negative. Moment near is the moment at A, 0. The length is the distance from A to B, so that is 3. Then over 3EI plus moment far is the moment at B. So ang moment at B, dalawa sila. So moment B left and moment B right. Since ang ginamit nating segment is AB, then at point B we choose the moment B left kasi yung AB is the left segment of the beam ABC. So moment B left is negative 22.5. So siya yung moment far, moment B left. Then L is 3. Then over 6EI. Then plus 6AB over L. So wala tayong load from A to B. So that 6AB over L is 0. Then over 6EI minus H over L. L is 3. So para sa H, gagawa tayo ng horizontal line from A to B. And from that horizontal line, we measure the vertical distance towards B. So the direction of the vertical distance is downward, so it is negative. And the vertical distance is the deflection at B. And since meron na tayong theta A, negative 13.75 over EI, so that deflection B is equal to positive 75 over EI. So since inassume natin na downward and positive ang result, so meaning our assumption downward is correct. So yan na yung deflection at B, downward. Second option to solve for the deflection at B is we cut at C, then we choose left. So the direction is C to B. So left. So applicable is formula for theta left. Ito na yung formula for theta left. So theta is theta C, then equals moment near is the moment at C, so 0. The length is the distance from C to B, so 5 over 3EI, plus moment far is the moment at B. So take note, dalawa yung moment at B. Since ang ina-analyze natin is the segment BC, so we choose the moment at B, at right of B. So 37.5, the length is 5, then over 6EI plus 6AA over L. So walang load from C to B, so that the parameter 6AA over L is 0, then over 6EI, then minus H over L. So for H, so tayo ay magdodrawing ng horizontal line from C to B, and then from that horizontal line, we measure the vertical distance towards B. So downward, negative, and the vertical distance at B is the deflection at B. And take note, theta C is given 46.25 over EI, so that the deflection at B is positive 75 over EI. Positive means our assumption downward is correct. Next, we solve for theta B. So may dalawang options tayo for theta B. So ang gawin natin, i-cut at B. So first option is we choose left, and second option naman we choose right. So dito muna tayo sa first option, choose left. So the direction is B to A, so left. So applicable is formula for theta left. So ito yung formula for theta left. So theta is the theta at B, then equal to moment near is the moment at B. So dalawang moments at B. So since ang ina-analyze natin ay segment AB, so we choose moment B left. So that is negative 22.5. The length is the distance from B to A, so 3, then over 3EI, then plus moment far is the moment at A, 0. The length is 3 over 6EI, then plus 6A over L. Wala tayong load from B to A, so that the parameter 6A over L is 0, then over 6EI, then minus H over L. So for H, tayo ay gagawa ng horizontal line from B to A, horizontal line from B to A, and then the vertical distance towards A is upward. So the direction is upward positive, and the vertical distance at A is equal to the deflection at B, and that is 75, then over EI. So the theta B is equal to negative 47.5 over EI. Negative means clockwise. So yan yung theta B. Dito tayo sa second option, cut at B, then we choose right. So the direction is B to C. So the formula is theta right. Okay, ito yung formula for theta right. Then theta is the theta at B, then equal to negative. The moment near is the moment at B. So since ang ina-analyze is the segment BC, so we choose moment B right. So 37.5. The length is the distance from B to C, so that is 5. Then over 3EI, plus moment far is the moment at C, so 0. The length is 5 over 6EI, then plus 6AB over L. So walang load from B to C, so that the parameter 6AB over L is 0, then over 6EI, then minus H over L. So for H, gagawa tayo ng horizontal line from the direction is B to C, so from B towards C, and then measure the vertical distance towards C. The direction is upward, positive, and the vertical distance at C is equal to the deflection at B, 75 over EI. So that theta B is equal to negative 47.5 over EI clockwise. So same result. Okay, interpret natin yung results. So, ito yung point A, point B, and point C. So, at point B, nag-deflect downward. So, this is correction na, deflection B. So, deflection at B is downward. Then, gawa tayo ng tangent line at A. So, ito yung tangent line at A. The rotation is clockwise. Then tangent line at B, the rotation is also clockwise. Then tangent line at C, the direction is counterclockwise. And mapapansin natin na since meron tayong applied clockwise moment at B, so yung elastic curve at point B ay nag-rotate clockwise.